Get away. Yeah, man, back away. I don't need it. Honestly. Sure that the question is not relevant. Alright. Realize I talk when I like you and me talk. And then I make sense by about 11:30 or 11:40 something them must ready. Alex, come here. Alex. Alex. Hey, baby. Alex. Zoe, Alex. Let me call him. You know how funny it is? Oh, you can't feel hurt for me. Most sound negative in our comment section. That's why I lock that shit down, because I guess so. And you make me wake up this morning. How you can't feel hurt for me? Why should I hurt about what you have to say about me? Do I know you? You know me? So why should I feel hurt? Why should I care about what you're saying about me? I'm not wearing your shoes. And you're not wearing mine. So why should I give a fuck? Feel hurt about me. I don't have no. When I realize that there's so many people jump up out there, and a lot of other people put me down, cuss me, discriminate me. But if you don't ever look on the real people, then will lift me up. People will really understand me. You understand? Aki walk. Aki walk. Father God, pray. Oh my God, Father God, blessed Father God. Touch him, Jesus. No, they're ready, then can't find the key. Oh, Jesus. Zozo, come in here. Them a come, them left one something. You work for a second and we pass through.
A Chanel, a Chanel.
Chanel what? Chanel not ready? Chanel ready?
How about the screenshot? It was a double.
Guys, we're gonna sump on the double. Well, I may look why you made us have a look so.
Eh?
I look like to me have a look so, but just a look for you. Thank you, baby.
Me favor you?
Are you favor me? Which one?
Are you favor me?
You break me? Move for yourself. You find it? What happened? You not find the key? Eh?
Thanks, Heroes, Nana.
Nana manners. What do you mean by nana manners? Not him last the key. So, yeah, be disrespectful after you last the key?
Nobody. I defend him for non-entity.
Yo, where we got me to come talk today?
Eh? Okay.
That the lock, that the door closed? You see me?
Created.
Eh? No, I'm not going to. I stress me, man. Stressed out. Going off phone. I need car, alright.
Alright, guys, ready?
I'm not going to know, so I can't. Yeah.
Oh, next it out, you know, you can't say anything else.
Guys, thank you, baby. Or make sure when me pull up, you're ready, you know. Anything you have on, you know. That may I tell you.
Tani peguei essa top.
Chanel! Chanel!
Yeah.
I look like you have one karate clothes, so like a one karate school you go. Like you go look a black belt.
Oh, me?
Oh, you look like a Mr. Fung or Mr. Young.
Are you me
I
going
want
to give me a
karate
mouth?
clothes. Yeah, it's like a one karate clothes him have on. Guys,
Are
we're
you
gonna
there
stop
with
on the
one?
people now, please. Chat, we're gonna stomp on the people,
Thank you.
chat. Jaga, let me see what you have on. Move the pillar. Jesus Christ. Me not tell you say the boy have one karate suit. I fight you go fight the people them.
Are you me I go fight?
Oh, who you fight? Where could I always want to fight me? You look like you go look a black belt.
Me love me alone,
Say
man.
thank you, baby. Let me switch Chanel avant, please. You know, Matty, but you show me for now, because you know, I come here to turn on my camera on.
Me not go see. Neko.
Chat, beg you 4 rows, though, please. 4 rows, chat. Chanel! Chanel. Did Chanel not answer me?
One more rose chat.
Chat, thank you, baby. Thank you for catching speed. Jaga, Chanel not answer me? You know, so Chanel not answer me? What's that disrespect? Chat, they're going to stump on the triple.
Chat, use up a triple.
Chat, they're going to stump on the triple, chat. Jaga.
Huh?
I could hear when I say use up a triple. I ask her why Chanel not answer me. Guys, shoot on the triple chat. They're going to have money going to get like this.
She answer.
So she answer mother ear. And you could have answered too.
What me answer
I
the
don't
name
want to see
Chanel?
your face. Turn the camera up on Chanel no my youth.
Mommy, me foot they down there so I'm not have on the pants.
I don't want to see your foot them. Turn the camera up on Chanel.
I know about the pants. You already.
You don't have on the pants? Me bumbo. You know me know something wrong. That's why me keep on I say turn the camera, you know. So you want me come up a year, yeah, guys. We're gonna have money gun now. Come wait for you. You think you're that special?
But you not hear me say you not hear me say me not
Oh, brother,
coming.
how much we get up out that
Chanel
bumper
alone.
club head now, my youth.
A Chanel alone I go.
Where me, my Chanel alone I go? Daddy, you my big son, I see you? It's alright. I tell you that one. God no, I'm done. Alright.
You call like me I said that to you, you didn't hear me. You cut me off, you know? Mommy, when you come up here, I talk to you. I can't go. Yeah, boy, girl, I come over here. I see him think Chanel I could for.
Data go on. Chanel, data go on. Chanel, no from now. A data go on. So better me turn back from now when you go and watch him. Yeah, it's not a good. You see you touch it, Jagga, you're selfish now. Fuck. Remember me tell me play me game. Go about my fucking business. You're a selfish type of person, bro.
What me do?
And a full time I start understand about you. Right now, Aki walk with there with me. LD, you know, but not fucking you. Once I look at crutches, you're gone. You get me? You're not trying to do that with something important for me, I do, bro.
And I'm nothing about no girl. And I know everything me I go talk for me. There is nothing about no girl.
Fuck what you say. Everything good. It's the ones when you come on to support me with something, you're not did it. You get me? You're just selfish. It's all about yourself. So continue, yeah.
Okay, watch it. Where you cut me off?
Everybody else can try did it for me and support me on a time when I need you. You can never did it, bro. So just go on.
Will you bring her across with you when you go? Please, sir.
It's like him hype me up yesterday and say, man, come with me. Everything, me and him sit down and talk. Yes, mommy, yes, mommy, yes, mommy. And when he come up on your appointed day, you know. Yeah, the old time stereo. Old time stereo, remind me. Call nobody else, I'm focused. You know, so like him now come, I should have take TT. I'm sure him I can move corrupt like him. Call TT. Yeah, man, tell me I take up TT. I go pick up TT. I thought I should have tell him before I go away, but I can't tell him up by my yard, right? Yeah, you what?
What's TT? The TT ready? What TT?
Time I get charged, she can't tell much part in the nearest point, she them just take him, man. I make you know, so I take up TT, man. Watch it. I'm back foot. People, them are